taking the birds to the vet because Nico was making a weird sound earlier. Almost sounded like he was choking, which is so weird. I've never heard him do that. It's not sneezing, it was like a choke. So I'm just gonna go have him looked at real quick. Just trying to be safe. And I'll get their nails clipped while we're here too. And I get to see the rescues. I love the parrots they have here. Maybe I'll show you. Okay, so this place is so cute. It's in a little house. And that's where they have the rescues and where they have their clinic. Good thing it's not that cold right now because these two are out here. We're going in. What are you doing? Once the birds were done with their checkup, I went and looked at the rescues. This cute Amazon is Lucy, and she was dancing for me, but she was scared of the camera. This beautiful macaw is Poe. She's 15 years old, and they just got her in there. She was also dancing for me. Both of these girls stole my heart. Okay, we're all done. These two are happy to be out of there. Nari got her nails trimmed. And Nico didn't need his nails trimmed. He's never needed his nails trimmed the whole time I've ever had him. Like over a year, never needed his nails trimmed. So basically, I have no idea what was happening with him. I don't know if he was choking on something and then he got it down or what, but I'm just gonna watch over him. Watch that he's eating and drinking and pooping, and hopefully everything's good. We're in the neighborhood, so I got them out because they want to be out and see.